Wall Street fluctuated on Wednesday, April 29, as investors weighed rising crude oil prices, the U.S. Federal Reserve interest rate decision, and four major earnings reports released after the market closed. The three main U.S. stock indexes were volatile after the Fed's policy statement revealed that the decision to keep interest rates unchanged was the most controversial since 1992. Amid uncertainty over rising energy prices due to turmoil in the Middle East. This is likely the Fed's final policy meeting under Powell's leadership, who pledged in the subsequent press conference that he would remain in his position as governor. Crude oil prices surged after the White House confirmed reports that U.S. President Donald Trump had asked officials to prepare for a prolonged blockade of Iranian ports, indicating sustained supply pressure due to restrictions on traffic through the strategic Strait of Hormuz. A White House official said Trump had met with senior executives from Chevron and other energy companies to discuss possible measures to stabilize the oil market if a prolonged blockade of Iranian ports continues for months. Rising energy prices have reignited concerns about broader inflation, even as the Federal Reserve concluded its policy meeting, likely its last in the Powell era, by keeping its benchmark interest rate unchanged, as expected. For companies from the Magnificent Seven, the mega-cap firms associated with artificial intelligence, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta Platforms, and Microsoft released their quarterly results after the market closed. Daniel Archibald, a finance lecturer at Swinburne University of Technology, said that the Fed's decision to hold rates was not surprising. Archibald added that he expects a prolonged period of inflation over the next 12 until 18 months due to the Iran conflict, which will limit the Federal Reserve's ability to cut interest rates despite pressure from the White House.